If you're planning to design a website or redesign your old one, then this video is for you. In the course of this video, I'll be showing you step by step how we redesign a 8-figure retreat company's website. What are the strategies that we use? What are the design rules that we followed? And what are the basic copywriting principles that we followed so that you can apply those same principles in your website? Hey, my name is Priyesh and I run On Creation and Web Services, where we make websites for businesses that want to go 10x in next 2 years. We first started with wireframing. Wireframe, you can say it as the building block for each and every website, whether it's a mobile app, whether it's a website, anything. So that gives a structure to the website. Like, it defines what all the sections that will be coming, where the copy will go, what all are the elements there will be on the web page. It starts with the first hero section. Here comes our logo, our simple and clean navigation, and a primary call to action. That is the first action that we want our user to make. And then comes our hook, where there will be our main copy, and this is the most important section for your website. While I'll be showing you the main website, I'll tell you the more importance and how much emphasis that we put actually in making of the hero sections. And then comes the description that basically explain what we have said in the hook. Then comes a primary call to action and secondary. Primary call to action is majorly there to direct the user to take that one decision, and if the user is not taking that decision, what is the secondary decision that we want our user to take, whether it could be like learn more about a program. The primary could be buy the ticket or inquire now or get a code. Secondary could be view curriculum or anything like that. Then comes why choose us section, because if you are, let's say, selling any particular like service, or majorly it could be info product or anything, then the importance of why choose is like significantly higher, because now you have to differentiate yourself from the rest of the whole competition. Like, why specifically choosing you can describe it using points and like icons a lot more in detail. A few of the companies like Netflix use like tick marks as well. They are like SaaS companies basically use like differentiating them from multiple different options available in the market. So that is the core important section if you are into SaaS or if you're into service based companies. Then comes the curriculum section that we have made, like which basically tells what the retreat will be there, like what are the things will be there, and what will be the schedule of it as well, so like the people who are interested, they can get like what are the things that will be covered in the retreat and why it is like exclusive or what's something special about it as well, following that with an image and a call to action. Then comes a testimonial section, which is again to reinforce enforcing the trust value, as we have here like gained some kind of attention, and now we have started building the trust with the curriculum. Now we have to like bang the hammer on the hot iron by putting out our testimonials. Like, this is the kind of value that already people have received who have already attended our retreat. And now comes the most important section, that is FAQ. By here they will be like pretty much convinced, and now they will be having a lot more questions, like when is this retreat happening, how this is happening, where this is happening, what are the things that will be included, and a lot more questions. And in the FAQ, the job of the FAQ is answer those simple questions that could be a roadblock in order to them booking their spots. So you have to answer them and directly put a call to action up here as well, that will redirect them to if contact page if they have any other doubt which is not been answered. Or you can directly have a AI assistant, like you can use, there are a lot more AI assistants these days by 11 labs or multiple brands, to put it on the website, which basically retrieves all the information that you have added and answers in your behalf, which will be direct one-to-one conversation, which increases the chance of conversion at the same time. Then comes a final form booking section, where there is a hook, a testimonial, and a direct form where you will going to actually will be collecting the lead. So this is the complete wireframe that we designed for this landing page in order to get the attention, build trust, and directly close the deal. And let's go to the final design and let me tell you what are the things that we actually did. If you see here, there's a very typical logo. I've actually hidden the logo because I had to make this video. And then a very simple call to action, then a primary call to action up here, which is join now. This is one single goal that I want the visitors to take: clear and simple navigation. Then comes our hook section, which I was telling, the importance of the hook is here. That is, your hook should be taking them from to their dream position, that is point A where they are, to the point B where they want to be. If you read it, transform your $1 million company into an 8-figure empire. So you're already at $1 million revenue, and if you want to go 8 million, then this retreat is the place. It takes the visitor from point A, that is being sitting at $1 million revenue, to a 8-figure empire. So that is the thing that you have to follow while you're writing copy, or while you're like making even the sections, or thinking about the strategy for overall your website. Then comes our description, which basically explains what the hero section is trying to say. Our primary call to action up here, which is like giving a direct vision to the visitors. What action do we want our visitors to take? Then there's why choose us statement. There are multiple different things that will be multiple different points that we have covered for visitors to understand to why specifically choose this retreat. And then comes our curriculum section, which talks about what will be the curriculum of the whole retreat, and what will be the things that will be included in the retreat, like with a direct call to action again, that is join the wait list if you are already in. So what you have pretty much noticed is like every section pretty much has their own call to actions, because if they have agreed, and if they have like already trusted you with the things that you're trying to sell, with whether it's a service, whether it's any program, or whether it's any SaaS product, your section needs to have a call to action. Like if it's like a FAQ section, if they have any question, directly give them a call to action to ask more question. If you have a section which is like why choose us, then give them a call to action to directly like book a like session as well, book a doubt session as well, if they have any other questions as well. So like, or if you want to like directly push them towards like buying your program, you can do that. But just make sure that you give enough call to actions for visitors. If any point of time, if they want to make a decision, they have the direct action to click on it and purchase it, book a session, anything. Then comes our trust building section, that is basically the testimonial. So you get multiple testimonials from people who have already attended the sessions. Then comes our FAQ section for doubts, or for clearing any doubts if you have. And then comes our main join the waitlist section. So as this is a very exclusive members only retreat, only few people can join. That is why there is a waitlist. It comes under the luxury, so you have to maintain that exclusivity. That's why there is a waitlist section. You directly can't go and buy the spot. You have to wait for it. You have to wait for the people to contact you. Then only you can buy. Again, for people to not lose the interest, there is a testimonial section up here, a form up here to fill in, and boom. This was the complete landing page that we designed for this brand, and all the psychological and strategical decisions that we took while designing this landing page. The major takeaways that you can take from this is how much emphasis that we put in the hero section while designing this. Like every section, every copy, every even single space was well thought of and designed in a way so that as soon as the visitor like lands on the website, they make sure that they understand what we are trying to sell, as well as they understand the value of it. And that is the core goal of your website, that is deriving your value and leading the visitors to taking the action, whether it's going to be booking a call, buying your service, buying your product, anything that the decision that you want to take. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any doubts, you can let me know you can ask me in the comments. And if you think like this is too much to handle, this is too much strategy to handle and to think about, I've dropped in my free consultation call link in the description. You can go schedule a free call where I'll help you understand your vision and help you design these landing pages and websites for your business so that you can grow 10x in the next 2 years. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in another one. Take care.